Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video, we break down the top 5 best glass cleaners you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best glass cleaners on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best glass cleaners are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Windex Glass and Window Cleaner. Windex Original Glass Cleaner is a great solution for lightening and brightening your home. Relax and recharge by letting in all the feel, good power of natural light with Windex Unbeatable Streak-Free Window Cleaner. It starts working on smudges, dirt, fingerprints, and other messes even before you wipe. Windex is committed to bottles made from 100% recovered coastal plastic. This glass cleaner works great on windows, mirrors, glass, and more. Enjoy 100s of the goodness that natural light brings with Windex Original Glass Cleaner. Windex Original leaves your windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces such as glass tables or shower glass sparkling clean. Windex works great on dirt, removing smudges, fingerprints, and other messes before you wipe. Windex Original helps you let in all the feel, good power of natural light, leaving your windows sparkling clean. For details, let's watch more. Our second best glass cleaners is Sprayway Glass Cleaner. The Sprayway Glass Cleaner is a mild, abrasive, multi-purpose paste cleaner that works instantly on all kinds of tough and dirty surface stains. Millions of people have been turning to this versatile cleaning paste for all sorts of household cleaning needs, trusting its power to make indoor and outdoor areas extra shiny, sparkly, and squeaky clean, saving you time, space, and money. This budget-friendly, world-famous vegan product made with natural cruelty-free ingredients lasts way longer than any other cleaning agent and has a fresh and fruity scent you and your whole family will love. It works miraculously and is easy to use. Simply put a small amount of the miracle cleaning paste on a damp cloth or your chosen cleaning scrub, rub the problem area gently, and wash away with clean, hot water. Sprayway Glass Cleaner is a versatile multi-spray cleaner made for all kinds of hard surfaces at home. Whether you need to clean indoors or outdoors, this natural cruelty-free vegan cleaning spray removes stubborn dirt, grease, and grime with ease. Well, loved by millions, it's a must-have in any kind of household. Safe yet tough on stains, it's formulated with a fresh and fruity rhubarb scent the whole family will absolutely love. This easy-to-use spray can be used on virtually everything, including counters, cookers, floors, ceramic, tile, pots and pans, grills, sinks, boats, scuff marks, windows, and so much more. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Sprayway Ammonia-Free Glass Cleaner. Putting a sparkle on your windows, mirrors, and other surfaces shouldn't bring tears to your eyes. Sprayway Ammonia Ammonia-Free glass surface cleaner is the powerful, plant-based formula you've been searching for to deliver a streak-free shine without harsh fumes. Our glass cleaner is safe for glass, mirrors, stainless steel, and other surfaces. Our product does not create unpleasant fumes and will not leave harmful residues. Our glass and surface cleaner is hypoallergenic, biodegradable, bio-based, and contains no dyes or artificial fragrances. At Sprayway Ammonia-Free glass cleaner, we do business differently. We believe our products are healthy solutions for use within your home and for the community and environment outside of it. We are always evaluating how to reduce their environmental impact, increase performance and safety, and create a more sustainable supply chain. We believe it is our responsibility to set a course for a more mindful way of doing business, where companies act as partners with other stakeholders to create a brighter future for the whole planet. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Invisible Glass Cleaner. A clean windshield and clean glass not only looks better, it helps you drive better. When it's you and the open road, there's no room for residues, streaks, and haze that limit your visibility. You need products that deliver results. Invisible Glass is the selling glass cleaner for cars and automotive detailing. Only Invisible Glass has been tested and proven 100% residue-free. Many glass cleaning products contain soaps, scents, dyes, and other additives that leave residues on glass. Residues form streaks and attract grime to the surface. This buildup may damage tints and finishes. Invisible Glass was formulated to dissolve and remove the unique film that builds up on the interior windshield from plasticizer film, smoke haze, and other environmental debris. On exterior glass, Invisible Glass quickly breaks down bug splats, bird droppings, salt spray, and road grime. The residue-free formula evaporates quickly and completely, leaving nothing behind. Plus, Invisible Glass is ammonia-free and safe to use on tinted windows. You're left with a professionally clean windshield, windows, and mirrors. There's no streaks, no drips, and no mess thanks to the Invisible Glass formula. This unique formula contains no streaky soaps, scents, or dyes. Absolutely zero residue is left behind on your glass. This unique foam cleanser scrubs deep to remove road grease and grime, dirt, fingerprints, salt, mud, and more from your windshield and mirrors for a striking shine. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best glass cleaners list is Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner. Hope's Perfect Glass is a premium 100 streak-free glass cleaner that works faster and more effectively and with less wiping than other brands. Hope's Perfect Glass allows you to quickly and easily get the clean you are looking for. This no residue glass cleaner eliminates the haze other glass cleaners leave behind and makes glass surfaces look pristine and spotless. You can clean multiple types of surfaces with this glass cleaner spray that is safe to use on windows, mirrors, tabletops, glass stovetops, light fixtures, shower doors, TV screens, or gadget screens. This window cleaner spray has an ammonia-free formula that delivers high performance and is safe to use on tinted films, tinted windows, and in direct sunlight when cleaning car windshields or windows. Available in different cost-effective packs and refills, this glass and screen cleaner offers unbeatable value with a trusted formula for cleaning different types of glass surfaces. Works great on multiple types of surfaces. Effective as a shower door cleaner, window cleaner, TV screen cleaner, glass table cleaner, or as a glass stovetop cleaner to remove grease. For details, let's watch more.